Hey guys, just got a few things in from Apple today on mail. And these two guys got here in just 2 days. So it was supposed to take over the weekend, but it didn't. He came in right away. So it was supposed to come in Monday, to be more specific, and then it came in right today. So today is Saturday, and that means it only took 2 days to get to me, which is pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys inside box and why I bought these. Mainly I bought these for my iPad. However, these are useful for iPhones as well. I always suggest getting things that are for iPad for your phone, just because they're a little bit more powerful and you're gonna get your phone charged faster that way. But you don't have to. Other than that, you can charge your iPad with iPhone charger and cable. However, keep in mind that if you do that, it's not going to charge as fast. So I would highly suggest getting something that's specifically for iPad, and that's exactly what I got. So here's the heavy duty cable. Cable is thicker than your regular iPhone one. So if you guys have an iPhone, the cable would be slightly thinner than this one. So this is originally from Apple. Obviously, you guys, I showed you the box. I bought it directly from Apple itself. How can you guys make sure that whatever cable you're getting from, maybe you're getting one from Amazon or something like that, and you're not sure if it's an original one? Well, let me zoom in, and unfortunately, I cannot zoom in that much to show you this, but here we go. So see this right here, if I zoom in a lot, you're gonna see Apple on it, okay? That's what you're gonna see on the cable itself. Other than that, around the cable, you're not gonna see anything else. So there's no Apple logos or anything else around it to indicate that this is legit and an original one. But this is how it looks like. It's pretty long. I'll just show you. So here we go. It is slightly longer than the normal one, and I find that really useful. But I buy it for the thickness. If it's thicker, it's more powerful. It will charge your stuff better, faster. Now let's take a look at the charger itself. So let's take this out. And here is the charger. All right, so again, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see, because I know a lot of you are just watching this exactly for this reason. So here we go, just trying to focus it in so you can see all the details from it. And that's how you guys will know if it's an original one or not. You guys have all this information, okay? Because around it, there's nothing else. So again, around it, you guys will notice there's literally nothing else that would indicate that it's from Apple. So this cable right here, this charger will do fine charging your iPad or an iPhone as well. So it does both. Again, it'll charge your iPhone faster, and your iPad will charge it just like your original charger did, which is pretty fast and does deliver quite a bit of power. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.